guys, we're going to do a quick dash. Even though you're not here with me, I hope you'll be following along at home. Since you're not here, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say the character names and make the letter sounds. Just as a reminder, when I hold up the character side, we're going to say the Letterland character's name, and then I'm going to flip the card and we're going to do the character's action and make the letter sound. You guys ready? Okay, here we go. Impy ink. I. Mr. I. Dippy duck. D. Firefighter Fred. Fix-It Max. X. Mr. A. Oscar Orange. Ah. Clever Cat. K. Annie Apple. Ah. Quarrelsome Queen. Qua. Munching Mike. Noisy Nick. Here we have Clever Cat and Harry Hatman. And remember, whenever Clever Cat gets really close to Harry Hatman, what does she do? She does tch, and she makes a cute little sneeze. Here we have Lucy Lamplight and Linda Lamplight. Together they say, oh. Remember, they are friends at the end. Here we have Vicky Violet and Vase Prop E, or Vase Prop E. Remember that the wind in Letterland goes in the reading direction. And so to keep this vase, Vicky Violet's vase, from tipping over, we have this Vase Prop E that holds it up, but it doesn't make any sound. So this says V. Last, we have Talking Tess and Harry Hatman. Now, remember, there are two big sounds that TH makes. So here, Talking Tess is telling Harry Hatman, you don't need to worry because Harry Hatman really doesn't like loud noises. She's saying there, it's only thunder, but here the thunder is too loud and they're covering their ears and they say the sound like thunder. Thank you guys for following along with me. Here in a second, I am going to show you an activity that we're going to do from the Letterland resource page. And we are going to be looking at fun activities for Yellow Yo-Yo Man and Zigzag Zebra. Before we get started, since it is a snack, we are going to go and wash our hands, tops and bottoms, and our fingers in between. See you guys in just a minute. Hey parents, we're going to do a little activity from the Letterland resource page. If you go there, you can see all sorts of activities. We've chosen 2 recipes. We're going to put them together into one that we're going to do. We
even have everything we need to make a smoothie.
I hope so. So we are going to make Yellow Yo-Yo Man makes a yummy yellow yogurt drink, and we're going to put that together with Zigzag Zebra's zesty smoothie. So we're going to kind of follow along here. You can also do this recipe at home. So the first thing we're going to need is our blender, and then we need about 4 tablespoons of yogurt. 1. Just plop it in.
Okay.
2. 3. 4. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add just a little bit of honey because we have yogurt that's not sweetened yet. So I'm just going to put in a tiny little bit of honey. And then we have a banana that we've cut up and we've frozen. You can use a banana that's not frozen. We just already have it. Can you pour that in real quick? And then we're going to add up some milk.
Mom, can I put the milk in?
Careful, it's a little heavy. All right. Then it said if you want to, you can add a tiny bit of vanilla.
I can do that.
Oh, this one I'm going to do because we just want just a Tiny, tiny little bit. Beep. All right, and it's gonna get really loud. We're going to mix it all up. You ready? Okay, so now I'm going to
Pour it in the cup.
yes, we have very fancy cups. A long time ago, McDonald's, when I was a kid, used to give out really, really cool cups. And so these are things that we've had for a very long time. So we are going to put in our smoothie, but we're only gonna go halfway. So we're gonna put the other smoothie on.
Mom, can I have the Batman one?
Sure.
Because I like Batman.
Okay, so we're gonna do that. We're going to keep the remainder of what we have in there. It should be fine. Okay, this time, Liara, can you add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt?
I can plop it in.
Plop it in. 1, 2.
Do you like how I was doing big ones?
You did an awesome job.
Excellent.
It's okay. And then we're just going to do a few of these frozen strawberries.
I can put them in.
Okay, we're just gonna pour them. We're not gonna pour all of them in. We're just gonna get some of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I think that's good.
That's
All right.
6 strawberries.
This is how you make it zesty. So you take a lemon. I've already washed this one off. If you have this, you can always skip this step too. And I'm gonna put in a little bit of lemon zest. And then we are going to add in just a tiny bit of lemon juice. Tiny little bit. All right, it's gonna be loud again. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
I can press it.
Press it really hard. Okay, it's all blended up. So now we have, it's supposed to be yellow. It's not very yellow, but it has a banana in there. But it has yogurt for yellow yo-yo man. And now we're going to add some zesty strawberry smoothie on top. Woo. And now you have a yummy smoothie drink. We hope you guys try some of the activities that are on the Letterland site and send us some of your favorites. Can't wait to see what they are. Bye, guys.